If you haven't recently exchanged or sold your vehicle, you must do so in the system as well. From the Configuration tab, click on Vehicles. Click on the top for adding a new vehicle. It will give you the choice of substituting your vehicle or adding a new vehicle. We will be substituting our vehicle here, so we select the vehicle we want to substitute. Click Next. The only two fields that are needed here are the ones with the little red stars, the purchase date and the date sold. We'll select today as an example. Click on Next. The system will ask you to update your odometer. From this field, you'll change your odometer reading and the date that you wanted to change it as. Click on Next. Once the odometers are synchronized, you can close this window. Here you will put in all the information for your new vehicle. You can keep the make, model, year as your description, or you can change your description as whatever you want. You can add in if it's a purchased vehicle or a leased vehicle, the current driver, the date the driver was assigned to the vehicle, if you have a parent group or not. Select Next. Once again, the only obligatory fields are the fuel type and the purchase date. The tax profile is which forms you will need, either tax benefits, reasonable allowance, business expenses, or employment expenses. Click Next. Your device is now tied to your new vehicle with all the information you put in. Click on Finish. It will change everything over and ask you for the new odometer reading of your new vehicle. Click Next. The odometers will be synchronized and your system shows your new vehicle.